Hello everyone, my name is Kai, and today I will quickly go over some behind methods for today's mentalism. If a station to check and change engine oil and inspect time. Press sure to keep everything running smoothly. At 30,000 miles, you should replace the air filter and check the fuel filter for better performance. At 60,000 miles, don't forget to change the Jameson first and replace the bank plug to avoid engine trouble. And when you hit 90,000 miles, it's time to replace the timing belt and plug the calming system to prevent major issues. Staying on top of their check ensure car lasts longer and run safety. Always refer to your or talk to a technician for special data. Thank you for listening.